Hi everyone, I'm Kabila. The back post Tunisian stitch is one of the stitch used in the Rimaye Cowl of Interweave Crochet Winter 2020. So just I'm going to show how the stitch is worked, particularly the combination stitch, which includes the back post Tunisian stitch. First part of the stitch is to place the markers. So you have to work as per pattern until the row where you have to place markers. So in the forward pass, I'm placing the marker and the particular stitch mentioned. Normally you keep the marker on the right side of your work. In this project you're going to just move behind and leave it like that until it's required. Continue doing the return pass of this row and continue working until you come to the row where you're going to work the combo stitch. I've worked few more rows after we have placed the markers. The markers are here and I've reached the point where the next stitch requires the back post Tunisian stitch or the combo stitch. So we have to go into the stitch as if to Tunisian knit and take your hook to the back of the work. Find the marker below. You have to do a back post stitch now. It's like a regular back post stitch. You're going to wrap around the stitch. So a stitch contains 2 vertical bars. So we have placed the marker on one of the bars and take your working yarn over, pull up and pull it to the front of your work and hold it on the hook. So I do it again for the next stitch. Insert your hook as if to TKS, go behind, find the marker. So to wrap around, you go between these 2 stitches and come around between next 2 stitches. So you have the 2 vertical bars on top of your needle. Yarn over, pull through all 3, that is the 2 vertical bars and your current stitch. Hold the loop on the hook and continue to work the row. And the return pass will be your regular return pass. So this is how your flat fabric is manipulated to make a texture similar to a cable. Thanks for watching.